You've no doubt heard the stories. Flint, Michigan, Denver, Colorado, Charleston, West Virginia. No one in any of these cities ever thought that the water coming from the faucet in their very own home would harm them. But it did. In Flint, Michigan, 12 people alone died from Legionnaire's disease brought on by contaminated water. But it doesn't have to be that way, because if you've got access to a river, a lake, a swimming pool, a pond, a stream, then you have access to thousands of gallons of water that can be made usable, clean, and drinkable, all thanks to the Oasis portable water filtration system. Matter of fact, the contaminated water coming out of your faucet, that can be cleaned and used also. And the best part about it is how easy and fast that can be done. Hi, I'm David Cannon. I'm not an engineer. I'm not a survivalist. I'm not even all that bright. I tell you that so you'll understand just how easy it is to use the Oasis portable water filtration system. You can do it, your kids can do it, anyone you know can do it. And what that means is anybody can have access to clean, safe, usable drinking water at any point, at any time. All thanks to the Oasis portable water filtration system. Everything you need is contained within the Oasis case. Pop it open, and first thing we do is identify our power source. Now, for the purposes of our demonstration today, we're going to be using power off the grid, so we'll just plug that right in. However, we provide you with other options. You can use your car battery or even a solar panel. Next, we identify our hoses. First is the inlet hose. This goes into the source of our water. Looks like it has a little microphone here on the end. Can't miss that. Drop that into our water source. Next, our outlet hose. This is the hose that will bring us clean water. Little trick, you can run it through the hole in the case just to keep it safe and out of the way. Drop it into our container. And last, the red hose. This is our bypass hose. Never drink anything that comes out of this hose because this is contaminated. We want to make sure to keep that as far away as possible from our clean water. Our hoses are in order. Now we're all set. All we have to do is flip the switch and give the system a couple of minutes to build up pressure, and we'll have clean, safe, usable drinking water. Our system's only been running for a couple of minutes, and as you can see, this water comes from a swimming pool, and it is now free of all chemicals and all bacteria. I don't always drink water from a swimming pool, but when I do, it's been cleaned by the Oasis. When it's all said and done, the Oasis portable water filtration system provides you with a lot more than just clean, safe drinking water. It provides you with peace of mind because you now know that for you and your family, no matter the situation, whether it's man-made catastrophe or natural disaster, you're safe. And you can't put a price tag on that. To find out more or to order your Oasis portable water filtration system, go to aeginternational.us/Oasis.